Controller. It's a car with some open controller. Oh my goodness. I wanted one.
Yay!
Santa listened.
Mommy, I just wanted one because of Zach and Hannah. Spider-Man? Spider-Man. Yes, Spider-Man.
What are those, buddy?
They're shoes. Mommy, they're shoes.
A box.
Box.
Yes, a box. Your shoes.
Mommy, they're shoes.
Yay!
They're Spider-Man shoes.
You needed new shoes, didn't you?
And Susanna got new shoes.
Susanna, what is it?
It's a box. Yeah, she just loves getting the paper off.
It's got to be completely off, too.
Little bag.
Box.
Oh, my
Boots.
goodness.
Whose are these?
Those are for your mommy.
Mommy, you got some cowboy boots. Cowgirl boots. Cowgirl boots for Mommy.
Yay!
Like these.
Oh, there goes Susanna. They're a little big for you, Sus. Or she, are you trying to try boots on? Yeah. Are those for you, Susanna? Those are for Mommy. You need the other one? Oh yeah, Andrew, can you get Susanna the other boot? Or she needs the other boot.
Here.
Oh, were they opening out Jill's presents?
Yeah.
Mommy, you got some books.
I got some books. All right.
Good.
Oh, cool. Oh, Jill, you gotta get that.
Mommy, were these yours?
No, those are Grandpa's.
Oma, I'll open yours.